Welcome to Lexus of Edmonton. Today we are looking at a 2015 Lexus RCF Standard Package, rear-wheel drive in ultra white. This unit features auto-leveling headlights with daytime running lights and 19-inch forged aluminum wheels. And under the hood, this vehicle has a 5-liter V8 with an 8-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, producing 467 horsepower. On the driver door, you have 3 settings for driver's seat memory: power mirrors, locks, window controls, carbon styling on the door trim, as well as Lexus scuff plates as we enter the vehicle. Front seats are 8-way power adjustable, heated and ventilated. Both front seats are wrapped in black leather with details in the stitching. And on the driver's side dash, you have controls for auto headlights, wiper defroster, power spoiler, blind spot monitoring, and parking assist. On your steering wheel, you have audio controls with Bluetooth hands-free, a mode selector along with lane departure and radar cruise control settings, and on the back of the steering wheel, you have dual paddle shifters for sport mode. Your mode selector allows you to differentiate from Eco, Normal, Sport, and Sport Plus with adaptive variable suspension. On your 7-inch display, you have climate control, navigation, vehicle information, radio and media, phone settings, as well as other display settings. The reverse camera is also shown on your display. And on your rearview mirror, you have 3 programmable garage door openers. Over top, there's a sunroof with controls located by the interior lights. The lights feature a touch swipe function. In your center dash, you have your Lexus clock, as well as dual climate controls, and a 17-speaker Mark Levinson premium audio system with Sirius XM capability. As we fold the front seats forward to get into the back, we see that we have 2 full passenger seats in the rear. They have their own armrests, as well as a dual cup holder, and multiple child seat anchor points located within. As we open the rear trunk, we see an extra set of floor mats, along with your Lexus manual, multiple cargo tie-down points, and a Lexus cargo mat. So drop on by the dealership today, where we will connect you with a Lexus professional and find a vehicle best suited for you. It's time to experience amazing with Lexus of Edmonton.